Hi dear students, welcome to the channel. I am Arif Completely in front of you. I am explaining mathematics and physics. I am uploading my videos on the YouTube. Now, today we are going to study about the important chapter of SSLC, that is physics. In physics, electricity is the topic is there. As we know, study of here we are studying in electricity so many terms: electric current, potential difference, potential, resistance, resistivity, and rheostat, plug key open, plug key closed. Many symbols are there and units of those symbols. Some important I am going to discuss with you. That is the very first term is the electric current. I will discuss about the electric current first of all. Electric current or current. Generally, we are calling it as current or electric current. This electric current, it is denoted by the symbol I. It is said that electric current is constituted when the flow of electric charges, flowing through a circuit, there is a constitute of electric current. Generally, it is known. Generally, we can say the flow of electric charge. The flow of electric charges, it is known as electric current. Or sometimes the flow of negative charges is known as electric current. The flow of negative charges or the flow of negative charges means here one basic thing I will tell. There are three types of particles: positive particles, negative particles, and neutral particles. Neutral particles. Positive particles are known as protons, and negative particles are known as electrons, and neutral particles are known as neutrons. Here, electric current means the flow of negative particles through a circuit. It constitutes a electric current. Or we can say the flow of electrons is known as electric current. This let us study about the unit of electric current. It is known as ampere. The unit of electric current is known as ampere, or symbol is amperes, or sometimes the symbol is capital A. The SI unit of electric current is ampere or amperes A. The next point we are going to study in this topic is nothing but that is potential. It is denoted by V. Also, potential is known as voltage. What is this potential? I will tell in shortly. I will tell. Potential is nothing but it is work done. Potential is work done. We suddenly shock that what it means, how it is work done. Yes, it is work done to bring a charge from infinite distance to a point. Suppose I want to calculate. Suppose how the potential difference is. Point A is there, bringing the charge to from infinite distance to the point A, that is denoted by VA. Potential at point A, it is known as potential at point A. It is work done of bringing a charge from a infinite distance. Bringing a charge from an infinite distance, it is known as potential. It is denoted by V, and the SI unit of potential is nothing but volts. The SI unit of potential is volts. It is the work done bringing a charge from infinite distance to a point. That work done is known as potential. The SI unit of potential is volts. Okay, we go to the next point to discuss next point. The next point I will take comparable to potential, that is potential difference. It is potential difference. The next point is potential difference. Potential difference. The potential difference, it is defined as, it is, say shortcut I will write PD. It is defined as, this is point A, this is point B. The potential difference is defined. It is also work done. Work done from bringing the charges from point B to point A. VA means potential difference, potential at point A. VB means potential at point B. VA means potential at point A. VB means potential at point B. The work done of bringing from point A to point B, it is known as potential difference. It is denoted by VD. VD, potential difference. The SI unit of potential difference is nothing but volts. Volts, yes, or capital V. The some symbols we are going to study in this topic. Some symbols are there. The symbol of, see, some symbols. The symbols of the ammeter. What is ammeter? We study first. The device used to measure the electric current is known as ammeter. It is the device used to measure electric current. Device used to measure electric current is known as ammeter. And voltmeter is there. Voltmeter. What is voltmeter? Device used to measure the potential. Device used to measure potential. It is known as the voltmeter. Here two devices we studied, and one more thing I have forgotten to tell you about a resistance. It is also one of the important term in this topic. Resistance means it means that opposition of current. Resistance, what the work of resistance means? Opposition of current. If resistance is more, current is less. If current is more, it means that resistance is less. Resistance of that circuit is very less. The unit of resistance is ohm. The SI unit, it is denoted by like this, ohm. OHM or ohm, like this. The symbols are this ohm in SI unit of resistance, ampere, capital A, SI unit of current, and volts, it is SI unit of potential difference or potential. Here we stop our video. If video is good, like, subscribe, and don't forget to give your valuable comment. Thank you.